Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm flying on the 777-300ER of Emirates airline. Flying on economy class, one of the best in the world. So I'm going to find out if that's actually the truth, and I'll let you guys know. It's from Washington, Dallas to Dubai Airport. Flight time 12 hours 45 minutes. Just relax and watch my experience. It might help you. The iconic Dallas Airport at the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. After passing TSA security check, I headed to the Capital One Lounge at Dallas Airport, which is new. It is right after TSA security checks before heading to the gates. I will have a full review video coming up soon. Watch out for the video. If this is your first time coming to any of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's keep it growing. Like the video to help the algorithm show it to people more like you, and let's grow this young channel. While at the gate, I headed to the Air France lounge with my priority pass, which gave me access. And I forgot, the Capital One lounge is only accessible with Venture S card, which is free, or you pay $65 with any other credit card. here she is, the beauty. 6-year-old 777-300ER.
That's fine. They will let you go.
Good legroom. I was sitting on the window seat, which I was able to get the videos. My IFE was not touch sensitive as it was supposed to be. I had to use the remote throughout the flight, which was kind of cumbersome doing that. There are a few live channels, which was good, like CNN and the BBC. Apart from the live channels, there are over 1,000 library movies, songs, music to choose from. So you can never be bored on a 12-hour flight. Pushback was on time. The engine starting. The United Boeing 787 being towed to the gate. Wing at number 2 to take off behind the Qatar Airways tower. And the United Regional flight is landing. are many tickets. They're just basic. There's nothing special about the main ticket for this flight. Lunch was served. Chicken, rice and peas, and it was delicious. And the meal came with real metal puff larries, which is first in a while. Mid-flight, like 5 hours or so, we got some margarita pizza. Good. In between flights, we serve water, juice, what you want to drink. I was able to get like 3 hours of sleep before breakfast, as we're nearing descent to Dubai International Airport. The breakfast was good. It was omelets, sausage with tomatoes and mushroom. Honestly, I prefer the breakfast compared to the lunch we were served. I'll give the breakfast 4.5/5, and the lunch yesterday 3/5. Overall, the flight was a good flight. The flight attendant and the service was excellent. For the false shots and sensitive aspect and responding to call buttons and passengers, it takes time. Personally, I'll rate the flight for over 5.